a verified creator on Rezel app? My comment box is filled with this question, how to become a verified creator. Let me answer all your questions sitting right here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arpita Mandal and I hope you guys are doing really well. So before starting the video, I would like to tell you guys कि अगर आप लोगों ने subscribe नहीं किया है, so please कर लीजिए because I'm going to come up with many tutorials. And also, if you aren't following me on my Instagram, I am posting there every day, one reel a day. So please go and check that out as well. I hope I don't disappoint you. Having said that all, let's get started with today's video. So before talking about the verification process in Rezel, I would like to talk about the verification in general. Like so many people have misconceptions about it and so many people are building bubbles in their head. I just want to burst them right here because many people think that after getting verified, आपको उस ऐप से payment मिलना शुरू हो जाता है, which is 100% incorrect. You don't get paid when you get verified. Verification is a thing, it's an identity proof. You're an original creator and you create content which is yours. You're not using somebody else's content and putting it in your profile. You have got a huge fan following, you've got huge views. So if I have to talk about the Instagram verification thing, all you need is, first of all, you will need an identity proof. Identity proof as in a government approved identity proof like Aadhaar card or your birth certificate or your voter ID card. I will put a screenshot of how it is done in the point of whole discussion is not Instagram but Rezel. So let's talk about it. There is no hack that I would like to share here. There are some genuine tips that I have followed even when people ask me how to get verified or how to use the Rezel app or any sort of a question related to Rezel. I give them this genuine opinion. Before talking all this, let me clear, I am a verified creator on Rezel app. So that is why I'm making this video. So I'm just going to share my experience, that's it. Basically, I am a user there for a 1.5 year now. So when I was a creator there, verification thing was not there. Like verification का बहुत ही एक recent update में I believe 1 साल बाद वो update आया. That too for iOS users. I didn't get it. Like I got it after 7 days. Okay, so let's talk about some genuine content now. First of all, Rezel is a very unique app. The features right there are just unique. Like I'm not exaggerating. If you won't try it, you won't believe me because the features like filmy, remix but not like the duets thing that every other app has, but remix in a different way. Then third we have Titan feature is the best one, my personal favorite. I love it. If you won't believe me, go check out Instagram page of Rezel India. आपको सब कुछ वहाँ देखने को मिलेगा. Guys, if you're a dancer, go for filmy features because filmy is so good. Like it gives an instant editing within a click, and the editing is not simple. It's lovely. It's awesome. So if you're a dancer, go and use the filmy feature. Like use the recent features, use the newly launched features of Rezel, because if your content is good and you think that your content is good and you're not getting that much of, you're not getting utna exposure to the audience, use this feature because सिर्फ Rezel के लिए नहीं, अगर कोई ऐप कोई नया फीचर लाता है ना तो इट विल फाइंड कि कौन कौन ही यूज़ कर रहा है. अगर आपको वो देखते हैं एंड आपके कंटेंट में दम है, दे विल डेफिनेटली पुश योर कंटेंट इन द एक्सप्लोर फीड और फॉर यू पेज और वट एवर यू कॉल इट. Rezel के नए फीचर्स यूज़ करने हैं एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, दे आर वेरी सिंपल टू यूज़. लाइक अगर आप क्रिएटर नहीं भी हो देन फिर भी आपको वो समझ में आएगा कि कैसे यूज़ करना है बिकॉज इट्स दैट सिंपल. इट्स जस्ट विथ वन क्लिक. I would highly recommend to use the features like filmy. Then we have got template Titan. Titan is love. I love it personally. Like it's so warm. You won't get it on any other app but just Rezel. So this was the whole point of discussion about how to grow on Rezel app. This will genuinely help you guys. अगर आप grow करोगे तभी आपको verify होने का मौका मिलेगा. So both are like they are going hand to hand. Okay. So a lot of you have asked me, is there any specific hashtags to use for? I'll put it in the description box. Don't just worry. Okay. So now let's move ahead and talk about the verification process. आपको growth बहुत अच्छी मिल रही है. Your videos are running really good. They're getting really nice views, and you're growing as a creator and everything. Now then what? You all must have an Instagram account, right? अब सभी के पास एक Instagram account तो होगा ही. आप सब उसमें active भी होंगे. So what you guys have to do, you have to copy the profile link, paste it in your Instagram bio. आप कोई भी अगर अच्छा वीडियो बना रहे हो और उसको आप रीशेयर कर रहे हो on your Instagram page or Instagram handle, do not forget to mention Reazel App India का official page. Tag them. They will definitely feature you guys in their stories, or if your content is really good, they'll share it as a post as well. Creating content, genuine content, be consistent, post at least twice a day, that is more preferred. And yeah, that's it. वेरिफिकेशन का ऑप्शन ऑटोमेटिकली अनलॉक होता है. कोई थर्ड पार्टी ऐप से या फिर कोई हैक्स लगा के आप ये नहीं कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन योर ग्रोथ, देन फोकस ऑन टू गेट वेरीफाइड, बिकॉज दैट विल लीड यू टू वेरिफिकेशन. दैट्स व्हाट माय पॉइंट इज. सो दैट वाज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई स्पोक अ लॉट, बट द वीडियो वाज फुल ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. For this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon, and also leave a comment if this is clear. Like, I have been tired answering all of your questions, like how to get verified, how to get verified. This is the answer of all of your questions. I hope समझ में आ गया हो. If not, don't hesitate to drop a comment. I personally answer each and every one of you. You guys know it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Reazel and also on Instagram, because I'm doing a lot of hard work. I'm posting reel every single day. I will see you in my next video. Till then, please stay safe, wear mask, get vaccinated, and yeah, we are prepared for the third wave. Are you vaccinated? Bye.